Hello. So we are back Wednesday, and it's the holiday time. I haven't uploaded. Actually, I didn't work that much. Anyway, today I just came to work because they called me. Here are some few jobs, like urgent things. And one of them is this laptop. So check this laptop. I mean, one second. Pressing the power button, and actually the laptop is working. You can believe that. So it's like the hinges are gone. You can see them are gone, but the laptop is still working. Now, this hinge, we can fix it. You can see the screws are actually good, are okay. But the plastic, which from the factory, this is not a sorry and dodgy thing. From the factory, this piece of plastic, it's stuck with some super glue. You can see here, I mean, this is dodgy from factory. I cannot be more dodgy than compared with the factory. So you can see. So that's the problem with this one, with this hinge. Now on the other side, we can see the hinge is broken from the laptop side. Okay, but the main issue here is this wire. Yeah, you know what it is? It's the Wi-Fi antenna, and it's no Wi-Fi. I don't know. Has any Wi-Fi? Let's check. It is some Wi-Fi, but you see this network? So actually this network, the Wi-Fi router is here. Okay, this is 5 gigahertz, so looks like probably for 5 gigahertz has a different antenna, because otherwise I cannot explain why in 2.4 has no signal. I'm pretty sure about that, because on the 5 gig, and the router is here, we have two Wi-Fi routers. 5 gig, you can't see, sorry. 5 gig, full signal, yeah, you see that's our network, 5 gig, full signal. 2.4 gig, no signal. It's pretty strange, right? I mean, must be another Wi-Fi antenna, otherwise I cannot explain why on 5 gig has full signal. Anyway, we have to fix this, but we'll try a alternative solution. You remember, I think I made a video how you trick this antenna so you don't use it anymore. This wire goes here on the top of the screen here, and you have the antenna here. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna desolder this wire inside and I'll stick it inside and it'll be fine. Okay? Yeah, pretty basic job. But surprise, the laptop is still working. Now, if you have this laptop to be repaired and you have to open the screen, it is a trick, and I actually broke one screen. I broke one screen by trying to take the frame out, this frame. So the frame is stuck on the screen. The frame is stuck on the screen, okay? And if you try to take the frame out, it's very possible to comes out with actually the LCD. That you have that big flex cables. It happens once, so I took out the frame and the things comes out. So I'll try with hot air with 150 degrees only, and I think we can open safely the screen. Yeah, try to heat up the frame, because otherwise it will happen once. I mean, I didn't expect it. Now don't use too much heat, because the plastic, you can end up with a melted plastic, or is bending, yeah, getting a weird shape. Can be yeah, it is a clips. Yeah, so you have some clips here. The top part is not that dangerous, but the bottom one it is. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so we took out the plastic frame. This is broken. I mean, clearly you can see it's broken. But that's not a problem. You know why? Because we will take this out. And your last soldering, if you take that out, all the pressure is on the screen, right? Well, because this hinge is broken, I will lose this hinge. Yeah, so here it will not be a lot of pressure. Because otherwise, what you'll do? I mean, you'll order a new hinge, okay? Then you'll order a new back cover from the screen. And you know what? You cannot take the screen out. This screen is stuck with some tape on the back. So if you think, okay, I will be better than soldering and I will order the back cover, you cannot take out the screen. You have probably to crack the screen to take the screen out. So you don't really have too many options here. And even to take out this one, it's not very simple, but yeah, we made it. Let's test the screen one more time. Press the power button. And the screen is fine, no crack, no lines, nothing. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, we don't need this, so we can cut this out. That's okay. Now we have to open the laptop and take out this hinge. We have to open anyway because this is from the back of the laptop. I mean, in the last period of time, we have so many hinge jobs. Luckily, I have no comebacks. I have no returns. You remember last week? Yeah, last week when it was so hot, it was like around 40 degrees here. I was praying, to don't have comeback hinges because obviously when it's hot, the hot glue it will melt. But we have no comeback regarding the heat from the United Kingdom, which is good. But someone said that. I remember someone said on the comments. Sorry, if we are doing a job like that here on Australia, 100% it will come back, and it is possible. I mean, it is possible. It's a hot country, around 40, 50 degrees. The hot glue is melting. It will not melt, but it's getting a lot more flexible. Yeah. But so possible this hot glue solution doesn't work everywhere. Okay, so we can see here it's broken, so we cannot screw back the hinge. But let's don't unplug the screen before you are disconnecting the battery. Yeah, that's kind of basic stuff when you're working on the screen connector. Okay, you can just lift the battery a little bit, put something there, and that's all. Now you can disconnect the screen. And we have to unscrew this hinge. This screw is open. Yeah. And now we can take out the base and we can work on the screen. Very simple. So probably the cable must be like that, right? Even this one is moving. You can see here, which is bad. No, it's not from the screws. It's from the plastic. The screws are on this plastic bit, which is coming loose. So I believe this hinge is only sitting on this metal thingy. Yeah, we have to do something about that also. This one, let's lose this hinge. Yeah, better. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that should be like that. Yeah, it's okay. Now this one has to be like that, right? Like that. Like that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, if you have like a very shiny surface, yeah, I mean it's just better to just scratch it, because being scratched, the hot glue, it will bond better. Yeah, I mean not only the hot glue, whatever you are using, it will bond better. You see, the screen has these thingies. That's the only way how you can take the screen out. This one. But many times, yeah, this is still good. But many times these things get broken and actually you cannot take the screen out. This one is good. So I'm not sure how can I leave it in case someone want to take out the screen. Yeah, like that. So let's see, hot glue 500 degrees. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay now. And try to melt the hot glue. That's why I always said, you know, the gun piece, hot glue gun, it doesn't bring the hot glue on that temperature just to, you know, be good for bonding. I mean, it's dropping tears, if you can see. Okay, that's fine. That's enough. Now what we have to do is very important. Let me take this nozzle. Let me change the nozzle. It's important to bring the hinge, make it to bring it hot, just for a better bond. Well, you're right, the hinge is on that plastic thingy. Okay, that's not helpful. But the back cover is metal, right? It is metal. It is metal with plastic. Okay, so it's fine. It's moving around. Which is okay. Okay, let's see on this side. I mean, how is this supposed to be here? Like that? No. Like that. I think it's like that. What do you think? What we're doing with this hinge? That's a good question. So this is coming here. Yeah, yeah, that's how is the cable is supposed to be. Actually, not. I can't see. No, it's not good. Oh, this is crazy. So the cable is coming out from here. Where is the plastic frame? Yeah. So you see how is the plastic frame? So the cable is coming out from this hole, from here, not actually around the hinge. Yeah, sick design. Hmm, that's good. I'm trying to get the hot glue around the hinge. Yeah, so not on the hinge, but around the hinge. Yeah. Because even the top frame can give some straight to the screen. Yeah. Okay, here is not fine for some reason. Usually it's pretty straightforward, but probably because I'm doing a video. Okay, now it's fine. It's just try to make it right. Okay, let's come with 150. Perfect. Let's see about this. Yeah, the frame is bent here. Here the plastic was broken from before. It's okay. Now let's see. Good, so we have to fix this one. It's only one Wi-Fi wire. It's strange how the 5 gigahertz has full signal. This one is good. This one is okay. And even this one screw is good, the other one is broken. Okay, that's good. We are nearly done. So how is everyone? Holidays? Work? Going through the summer? So here the temperature dropped from like 40 degrees to 20. So today is like 20 degrees outside. But next week, like the 30s will come back. Let's put back the battery. Good. And I think we are ready for test. We reset the BIOS, we disconnect the battery and we reset the BIOS, so it will take a while. It will come on the picture. AC, enter reboot the system. Let's wait. Yeah, it's working. Okay, picture is fine, the screen is fine, and the hinge. Solid. I mean, I think I have to put some more hot glue here. But it's looking great. Yeah. Even the inside hinge are okay. No problems. Okay. I know we done this job so many times. But I just said, you know what? The Wi-Fi. Let's see. Without the antenna, the 5G network is still fine. Hmm. Probably because the 5G is, you know. Let's fix the Wi-Fi. So let's get the cable. Yeah. Let's fix the Wi-Fi. I'll isolate the cable a little bit. It is matter. It is. You can calculate precisely how much wire has to be outside, and then you have to have like a sleeve, like a metal thing here, just to make the antenna resonating exactly on the frequency you want. But for what we need, I think we'll be fine without any calculation. Yeah. So it'll be like this. I believe we should put it here. Yeah, I think here is better. I think here is better. Like that. Cool. Now let's check the signal. Yeah, it's better. I mean, we have full signal on. Where is the network? Not on the 5G. Yeah, that's the one. Now we have full signal here. We can connect. Connected, all good. I mean, what I can do to fix it? Order another one and replace it for not much difference, like the signal speaking. Keep in mind this is not a laptop with two Wi-Fi antennas, so the laptop can do balancing on each antenna. No, has only one antenna. It's not that much difference compared with the one from the screen. From 5 bars on the screen, probably like 1 bar difference. Yeah, that can be. Okay, so I'm going back to holiday. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.